Alright guys, so I got 4 new injectors and a new resistor pack. Only needed the one injector, but it was cheaper than trying to buy one through O'Reilly's. They're the only ones that really could source these, I believe. And it was like $212, so I bought a whole set off of eBay. So anyways, new injector, about to throw it in, and then we'll see what this thing will do. Alright, the newest injector is in. Now we're ready to fire this thing back up again and see if it runs smooth this time. Let's try it out. There's the new ECU. For some reason, most all the Hondas I have seen, the computer is like up in the dash or over here on the kick panel. This one was under the seat. Took us forever to find it. Chris finally found it. Now I just need to find the key. There it is. All right, now we're ready to fire this thing up. Let's see what happens. Hey, running smooth. It's a good sign. All right. Look for any leaks. I don't see any leaks, so that's good. Running right at 40 pounds. Pressure there. Probably good. Everything looks good for right now. All right, we're about to test it. Everything seems to be working right. Everything's running good. So we'll take it down the road, let it warm up for a second, and we'll test it and see how everything works. Hopefully everything does good. For right now, we're still running at 5 pounds of boost, so we'll probably turn it up to 8 or so if all this works well. All right, guys, this is awesome. Here's the 2-step. That's awesome. So now we're going to try the 2-step. Check engine light. Everything seems to be working fine. It does seem like it needs more boost now, but it's definitely running pretty rich.